Hi sir, how are you?
Yeah, fine.
Fine, okay. Good morning, by the way. Where are you?
I am from Punjab.
Okay, you're from Punjab. That's
Yeah,
great.
yes, basically I am from Punjab, or means right now I am staying in Delhi because I am doing job here. So right now I am in New Delhi.
Okay, you are staying, you're doing job in Delhi.
Yeah,
Uh-huh. So what kind of doing a job, sir?
yeah. So I am working in a private sector, like I am working in a airport. You know, airport, international airport, New Delhi. So I am working over there in airport.
Oh my God, like you are working in aviation sector
Yeah.
and
Can
you
say.
don't believe me. You don't believe me. Even I'm also searching a job in ground staff in aviation
Okay.
sector.
Yeah. Definitely, you will be found a job in the aviation sector. You know, so if you have a skills and if you have a interest to doing job over there, so we can say you are means got a job in aviation sector.
Even I done also diploma course aviation and hospitality
Yeah,
from
yeah,
Franklin Institute.
yeah. You are doing great job. You know, good.
But in previous year, like 2020, I mean 2019, I given a very few interview. Unfortunately, I rejected because of my lack of knowledge and communication skills.
Mhm.
I
Yeah.
was
So
applying staff.
yeah.
Yeah.
I think whose person is means interested in doing job in private sector. So I think they have a means they have a means good skills about English. English is very unique for everyone. You know, if you want to work in private sector, like means private sector is very advanced. You know, very advanced. So I think it means most of people they want to speak in English and New Delhi and means anywhere in private sector. So I think is we should have a knowledge English. Yeah. So I am also beginner. I am also beginner. So I am trying to speak English. So I am on the way.
Okay, that's great. So, sir, like which airline you are working in ground staff? Are you working in ground staff?
Yeah.
So, which
I am
sector?
working. Yeah, I am working in a airport. I am working on cargo sector. Cargo. You heard about cargo sector?
Counter sector.
Cargo.
Cargo.
CARG. Cargo
Yeah,
sector. Yeah.
cargo.
Yeah. I am working there. Cargo sector. Yeah.
Okay.
So I am joined my company last 2016. I had got a job that time. So till now I am doing work over there in cargo sector.
Okay. So, like 4 years has done. You have a 4 year experience in cargo sector.
Yeah. We can say
Okay.
I have a 4 year experience to cargo sector. Yeah.
Yeah, sir. But I heard about cargo sector is we can say like third party. Like different company, different airlines send a courier. So which
Yeah.
airline you are working? Which airline you are working? Like Etihad, Indigo, SpiceJet.
That is a different airline, different and cargo sector. You know, you like a regulator agent. We can say
Okay.
regulator agent. Yeah. So I am working in a DCSC company. My company is working in a, means sending cargo and receiving cargo. Yeah, prepare
Oh,
cargo and sending outside out of country cargo. Yeah. So I am working over there with my team.
okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So what about your rotation? What about your duty? Like how many time? I mean, how many hours you work in cargo? Like
Yeah.
a rotational shift and some one particular shift.
No, sir. That is not. You give a particular shift. You do a rotation shift. I am my duty schedule time. I am working in means 7 days morning, 7 day afternoon, 7 day night. Rotations. We can say I
Okay.
am working with the rotations. Yeah.
Mhm. Yeah, that's great.
Thank you.
Even
Thank you.
even my plan also like if I get a job in ground staff, I'm searching sir like customer service in the airport
Yeah.
sector.
Yeah.
So I'm searching and I'm preparing my interview. If I get a job, then definitely I will apply to international.
Yeah. Sir, if you have a want to means you if you have want to means get a job in any sector, first of all you have a intention, you have a means inner inner voice. So we can say you are got a job, we are means achieve something. First of all, you have a prepare for that job. So I think you are already on the track and you are going on the way. So I think I wish you have a, means got a job in the aviation sector.
Okay, I hope
Yeah,
so, sir. Like in next year, definitely I will apply in Mumbai Chhatrapati in here international airport, and
yeah.
I done like from my study I done from Franklin Institute. So definitely they will inform me whenever come to vacancy like ground staff and calling procedure, visa office like that. So nowadays I'm preparing and I'm improving my communication skills also, and vocabulary, and we can say like what type of question answer, because it's very tough job. We can say like tough interview in ground staff. If
Yeah,
you give an interview, so it's like 4 to 5 round is there, so it's very tough.
yeah, yeah.
That's why reason I'm preparing myself.
Yeah, bro. I am told you one thing. You are already prepared, and so you
Right.
have already skills, and I think you are crack the interview that time. So I think I wish so you are doing a great job. So
Okay.
we can say you are a very good person, and means I am very glad talking with you. So when I talk with you, so I am means hesitate and nervous. First time I am video calling in front of you. So that
Uh,
that is I am nervous. Yeah.
okay, sir, but you are working in cargo sector, already you done 4 years. So what about environment over there? I think so English environment, everyone speaking a English language. So how do you, I mean, why you are
Yeah,
not
yeah.
improving?
Yeah. I am working means private sector. So over there, lots of people working, and some people have a good skills about English. Some people have a not a good means knowledge of English. But I am working there, and all people is working. So and this is not means this is not a means requirement of English in over there. I am working in ground sector, like a ground sector. So some people is very good to communicate with you. Depend on you how to deal with them. So first of all, if I want to learn, I want to improve my skill. So definitely means I working there and I am doing that way. So English
Okay.
is very good. Mix of mix of people working over there. Some people good, some bad, but duty is duty, and I am working there. So that is very important. English is very important for everyone. So that's why I am means learning English. Yeah.
Yes, that's great. By the way, you are not beginner. I think you are intermediate. Seriously.
No, sir. I am told you. I have been using English language last 2 months. Two
Last
months.
2 months.
Last 2 months. Sir, I am desirable. I am hunger about English, and when I'm going to the other side, out of means out of market and out of my in Delhi. So I saw there lots of people communicate with English, and I am very means I am very desirable, and I am very excited about English. So that's the reason I am watching a movie of Amitabh Bachchan, and in this movie, one dialogue is very famous. I can watch English, I can talk English, I can walk English, talking
Yes,
that
yeah,
like of
I
dialogue.
heard about this dialogue.
Yeah. So that dialogue is means fitting my mind. So I am doing keep a practice every day 4 hours, 5 hours. I am doing like that, only English, 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 English. Before
Oh
I
my.
have a before I have a no knowledge about English, and I am belong to the rural area, Punjab, and over there's all people communicate with mother tongue Punjabi. I am also my study in Punjabi, but Right now I am a struggle. I am keep practice. I'm going on the track to English. Yeah, sir. We can say I am very, I am very hunger. I am very desirable person about English. Yeah.
I think. Yeah, that's great, sir. You're doing great. Seriously, it doesn't matter where we are. First thing, it's very important to about if you want to learn a new language, then you have to struggle. You have to spend a lot of time, 4 hours, 5 hours. Then you will achieve. Otherwise, if you think like I will manage, I will just practice 1 hour, 2 hours. It's not gonna learning part whole time, anytime, everywhere. Just think about what I'm doing, what I'm going, where I'm going, like that. If you do, definitely you will improve yourself.
Yeah.
And it's very important to talk in front of people,
Mm.
physically and mentally. It's very
Yeah.
important.
Sir.
And
Yeah. Yeah.
I think you have an environment in your job sector, like lots of people are just
Yeah, sir.
working over their cargo sector. So we can say over there you can find a good partner about English, then you can practice with those people. This
Yeah.
is
Yeah.
easy way to improvement. And by the way, you are learning before 2 months, okay? So you are improving literally, seriously, many things you improve. Already you
Yeah.
improved. Yeah.
No, sir. No, no, sir. I don't have an idea about my English, but sir, I think means thank to you. All of social media like you, and I am watching a lots of video on the social media, and social media is very helpful for me.
Yes.
I am changed my life to social media. Social media is very big role in my life. So means you are very good, like a speaker, English speaker, and everyone is very good doing a creator role in this social media. So I am lots of things achieved on this social media. So I am very thankful of social media, and this is very unique, very good. Yeah, sir.
Okay. So how do you use the social media? Like what kind of Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, Skype, WhatsApp? Which social media you use I mean most of time.
Yeah, sir. First of all, I am using a YouTube. YouTube is very good for me. I am watching a video like you and Arif Ato and you and Bardwa sir. I am very
Yes.
glad at that person. I am watching. I am listening. Every time when I am eat the food and I am lay on the bed, I am watching that how to communicate with other people, and I am very excited. I am very happy that time when I am listening and watching that type of video. So that's a reason behind I'm able to speak. I am able to means listening English. So I am very happy that time. So I think this is very good way to you if you have a want to learn English. So I am means like that things doing like that things. Yes, sir.
Okay. So seriously, without any investment, you are improving yourself. This
Yeah,
is
yeah,
this
yeah,
is interesting part. Just
yeah.
watch like a YouTube channel, and we can say like talk with stranger people about WhatsApp, about Instagram. Definitely you will improve yourself. And I think so you will take a time, maybe 2 months. After 2 months you will advance level. I think, I hope
Thank
so
you,
you will.
thank you, sir.
Yeah. Because
Thank
you are investing a time around 4 to 5 hours. No,
you. Yes,
no anyone invest. So this is like literally you are hungry. You can talk English. You can write English. You can kind
yeah,
of.
yeah, yeah,
I think you are passionate about. You took a like you serious about English language. So that's why
yeah,
reason you are excited. You are passionate about, and you are doing hard work. I hope so.
yeah,
You will achieve whatever you want. Yeah.
yeah. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Yes, sir. So, sir, means you have a plan to working in aviation sector. So, I wish you got a job, and I am happy that time when you have got a job. So, uh, congratulations advance. Yeah,
So thank you very much, sir. Thank you very much. Whenever I feel too stuck about aviation, definitely I will contact with you, and please clarify
definitely.
me like how to
Yeah,
crack an interview. Okay.
definitely, definitely.
So
Okay.
thank you very much, sir, and all the best to your journey. Okay, and thank you very much for connecting with me.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Yeah, bye bye. Have a nice day.
Thank you. Thank you. Bye bye.
Bye bye. See you.
See you.